In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the transcript from any YouTube video. This is perfect if you're studying, quoting, or repurposing content. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. There are a few different ways to do this, and I'll walk you through them. The first way is using YouTube's built-in transcript feature. Just open the video you want, scroll down under the player, and click the More Options menu. Scroll down, and near the bottom, you'll see Transcript. Right under that, click Show Transcript, and a panel will open on the right side of the video. You'll see the spoken words broken down by timestamps. If you want a clean copy without timestamps, click the three dots at the top of that panel and choose Toggle Timestamps. Then, highlight the text. Copy it and paste it into any text document like Notepad, Word, Google Docs, or any editor you prefer. Now when you paste it, it might look like one long block of text. If you want it neatly arranged in paragraphs, you can drop it into any AI assistance tool like Copilot or ChatGPT and ask it to format the transcript. In seconds, you'll have a polished version that's easy to read. If you don't see the Toggle Timestamps option, don't worry. Just copy the transcript with the timestamps and paste it into any AI assistants to remove them automatically. A second way to do this is to use an online transcript extractor. Websites like YouTube-transcript.io or downsub.com can fetch transcripts without timestamps. Just copy the YouTube video link, paste it into this box, and click Extract Transcript. You'll get plain text you can copy and refine in Copilot or ChatGPT. And then there's a third option, browser extensions. Extensions like YouTube Transcript for Chrome or Edge let you export transcripts directly. Install the extension in your favorite browser. Once installed, play the YouTube video and click Get Subtitles on the right panel. You'll have the transcript ready to copy into any editor you prefer. So those are 3 easy ways to copy transcripts from YouTube videos. Whether you use YouTube's own feature, online tools, or browser extensions, always double-check accuracy, because auto-generated captions sometimes have errors. And that's how to get clean transcripts from YouTube videos ready for studying, quoting, or repurposing. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know how it worked for you. Check out more tutorials here on Netverse guides and tutorials, where we make everything online easy to understand.